you want me, you want to jail. How come you not police and come take this letter and he said, I'll come and arrest you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Shit. What? Fuck, guys, what are you looking for?
Baby, Dad has got a warrant after him. Dad has got issued a warrant.
Oi, kung suwa feria, ayo piar ka bali.
Dude, shut all the way up. It's like an actual paper warrant. Oh my gosh, Dad, you have to go in. Mum, it says that it's a warrant. A warrant will be issued if you do not come into Broadmeadow police station to turn yourself in. Once coming in, you will be processed into the system and serve a minimum sentence of whatever the judge decides. Julie! What the hell? Dad, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. No, but Mum, he has to go today. It got issued yesterday. And if he doesn't go in, he goes to jail. Oh my goodness. But Mum, did a court date come in?
No.
I'll call them in. Hi, am I able to speak to Sheriff Liz Marshall? Thank you. Mom, what should I say? That he's going to come in?
No, you need to understand. No, your dad is coming.
Yes, Asila Tanivasa, TANUVUVASA. I was just calling in regards of a letter that my dad received from you, and it says that he failed to come into a court date. There is no number. It just says that he violated Act 378. there is a warrant against my dad. So what does that mean? Because he has to pay $30,000. Sorry, I'm just speaking with, one moment. Mum, they're saying that he has to pay $30,000 to not go. Where are we going to get the $30,000?
Your dad is
why would I say he's a killer? They're going to be like, what the hell?
no, for you, because can't afford to pay that for you. I understand.
Hello? Yeah, I just explained it to my mum. Yeah, so my dad won't be able to pay $30,998 today. But he can't go to jail because he's my dad, he's my mum's he's my mum's carer. Yeah, but we don't even have $20,000. Is that the minimum? Can it be less? Can it be like half of it?
Make plans.
Or can he do a plan? Mum, she's saying he can't because he didn't go to the court date. The judge has sent a warrant and he has to go. He has to go in. Which and it means he has to go now if he wants to get seen by the judge. Or else he has to sleep in jail until Monday.
You didn't receive any letter for
He didn't receive a letter.
a court case.
She said she sent 3 out. There's been 3, and that was the third one said that it was a notice to get your warrant after it. No, I don't send the police here. My dad's not home. He's gone somewhere. Can I call you back? I'll call him to see if he can come home. Okay, thank you. Dad!
Yeah.
You have to go.
What?
You have to go to the police station. And if he can't see a judge today, he has to sleep in jail.
Esire fa meu facor. Fa meu facor mas fa mai kuselo court. I get it yard white.
Dad, come here. I'm just.
The court case.
Well, what? What are we gonna do?
Esire le mo ye go.
Yeah.
Ile officer lo ife de
Oh, Meadows, Rory.
Yeah.
E fai lo mea fa me fa kono na kusima ilo court case. Ai kile kusala la wa mangele le charge.
And they give him the warrant.
Pay oil falls from what they call might be an include mansala or whatever.
And Dad, if you don't see a judge late, it can moi or.
Oh no, I didn't know. Say, kapoya fai kapoya se kapoya se mo palang malimano.
I need to tell Chris.
No,
No, we can just go like that. Dad, you just go, you say to I'm a good person.
No, because once eu se cai, ele fica levaema. Even the pharmacy.
How do you know you're being?
No, eu falei, eu coloquei lá com uma coisa mais, but you don't know anything. You don't receive it. Yeah. Le alam ka mo sera ka wa pa le e ke mo ko ba ile pharmacy. Le charge.
Ini pakai kalau bacanya lebih push. Ayo banyak lah pakai lo ke dia. Jadi pakai ramai ya kalau sekali dulu.
What can we do for him not to go into jail? to pay the full amount. What do you want me to say? Hold on. Okay. Can my mom just speak to you? Okay. Alright, thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye. She let us know. He has to come in, or else I'm sending in the guy. That the warrant was out today because a letter was sent yesterday. Julie! Do you have any money? Chris has $5. You're sad, Chris. You know your dad is going to jail and you don't even care? You're so bad. Why are you laughing? You don't care your husband's going to jail? You don't care?
That's why it's because it's Sophia Popo.
Mom, don't do that right now. You need to be there for your husband. What are we going to do?
But
Julie, can you get like at least, do you like have 5, maybe 1,000, 2,000?
I got more than that. I got way more than that.
Stop joking. Dad's going to jail.
I think I got like 5,000.
You got 5,000, we got 15. How much do you have? $5? Yeah, your main as your dad. Me and Tuxx can put in. Oh my gosh, I gotta call my husband.
Steve, you wake my son up.
go real.
Call Ray first. We can just say he's a good man. Ria, Dad's going to jail. Dad's going to jail.
Why?
Because, do you know that car accident before we went to SAR?
Yeah.
So they took him to court, the insurance company,
Yeah.
and they said they gave out 3 notices for the court. So they went to court, waited for Dad, and he didn't turn up 3 times. And then now we just received a warrant from the police.
Yeah.
And like they saying that we owe 30,998,
What do you mean?
which means he has to sleep in jail. And she said he's at home, and she's like threatening to bring because the warrant was issued out today, they can turn up to our house anytime. So we're going to take that in, but now we don't know if he's going to be seen by a judge or if he's going to go sit in jail until Monday.
No, they can't do that.
That's what she's saying. And
Why?
and we have to pay the full amount of $30,000 if we don't want him to sit in jail.
But it wasn't his fault though.
Okay, family, so something really weird is happening. My dad got a notice from the police sheriff, and it's saying that, look, this is my emotion right now. I don't know what to say. Oh, we don't know what we're gonna do, and I just called the lady and my dad has to go, so we might call Pastor. Mum, you know what's better? If we just called Pastor to come with us. Dad, come here. What are we gonna do? Yeah, so then o le ala le mea e whai e pēr whamei e ke moi o.
Es mera.
Ke moi o.
Ye da ke ya boy fu. Ni fa pe se pasuk kalaka fu se ai magana.
It doesn't matter, Dad. There's so many people that are thingy. Honey. So my dad just got a notice that he's gonna go to jail. We just got the notice. Leo leo. Eu mai bea ke le laku e sen mai leo. It's a warrant. Te bela eu mai.
Oh, iai. Oh.
Which one money?
Try and get a lawyer first.
Oh yeah, we'll call for a lawyer. All right then. I'll talk to you later. All right. I love you. Bye. Dad, I can be your lawyer.
Huh?
You want me to be your lawyer?
Huh?
Do you want me to be your lawyer?
I'm lawyer too. I'm lawyer too. I'm saying sorry about that. I can't pay anything. All right. I cannot insure. If you want to insure, you pay insure. I'm not insure. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah. That's all. If I'm not smart.
No, but Dad, you just say I'm a good man.
Huh?
Be like, I'm a good man. I'm a man of God, and I have faith. I don't go to jail.
Don't worry.
No, you say that. Say it. Pretend the judge is Julie.
What?
Julie, be the judge. Do the questions. Just to practice.
Can't help you anything. All right.
Look at Lens.
Don't worry about it. Can't help you.
He's cooking.
If you want a faith, can't help you. Porque vai porque help my area with a fear you my now. Kina PLSS me ngami. Rubbish. You wasteful money ngami. Kini kaka lai. I will fear claim the insurance.
Yeah, that's why they're the third party.
They always say insure. You know, they don't know come out. You sure is ngay không máy phay nó không biết ngọn mắm gì tao không biết ngọn mắm gì nhiều tao không biết ngọn.
Dad, if the lady says, what if she says you have to sleep here? You say what? What are you gonna say to the lady?
Why you sleep here for? What for?
You
You just say I'm carer to my wife.
I say, but who's gonna look after my wife? She's sick. No one home, just only my little girl. I don't say I couldn't facilitate a case when I can't take a little. I am here for the charge, I am forever paying out the charge, he can't for the charge. I'm a man for the charge, child.
Kan tu boleh dia kau apa boleh kuliah faham berfalio bercakap.
Yes, Sera Kenila.
Esse aí ele não vai fazer dia. É mais ele por filho, mais ele por can, mais ele por Deus. Foi sai ele por marca por.
So Dad, okay, so then, well, what if she says get your life insurance out? What do you mean nothing? Your life insurance.
Akan no life insurance.
You got no life insurance. So what if she says, then where's your retirement money?
So certainly.
Call the Centrelink. Dad, come here, Dad. Come here.
What?
Dad, look at this. You are going to go.
Don't worry about it.
Oh my goodness. My God. Julie, I can't with this man.
Don't worry about it for this one.
You know what? Dad, look.
Listen.
Dad, no, you listen. English to me then.
Give it to me. If you want go jail, how come the police come take this letter and say, I'll come and arrest you?
She called. I called
but you
her.
can put in the mail. The police want, if you want to put the mail, anything you want, anything. Someone is not put in the mail, someone put the mail. See?
Dad, what is my name? What's my name?
Sera.
What's my other name?
Then what's up?
No.
Yeah.
Dad.
Yes,
Dad.
This my son. You know it, okay? You
Dad.
know it.
A few moments later.
Dad, what's my name?
Hey,
What's my name?
Sera.
What's my other name?
Stop.
No. Dad, what's my name? What's my full name?
Oye, sí, no sé.
Speech apa ini maksud?
Princess. Tell Chris he said princess. Dad, what's my name?
Sera.
What's my middle name?
I don't know your middle name. Na tahu middle name ke dokter masa dia shop.
Mom, what's my name?
Liz. Sarah Liz.
Mom.
Mom, Dad, Dad.
Vai, depois uma.
Shh. Mom, Dad, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You know why?
What?
It's a prank. It's a prank.
É.
I've heard this. I'm lying. I'm pranking you. The camera. You're not going down. Dad, it's a prank.
The prank.
So family,
God make you a decision.
look at my dad. He's been a sore loser.
Actually,
Mum, did you know it was a prank or no?
actually,
Did you know?
No, I thought it's real. Because I saw you come with the belly.
Dad, what are you gonna say?
God is making decision. Right decision. I'm not worried anything.
I can't believe what she doing. You know why? We already ran up to New Zealand to my other daughter. And then we ran up to my son in Brisbane. And we figure out about my pastor to come to, to sort out this thing. And then now, oh my Lord.
Dad, we got pranked. Say,
We go break.
we got